The lure of the truck. The boys and girls up at the trailhead park their trucks, pull off their bikes, head down the steep, rocky hillside. In the pub parking lot at the church on Sunday, really big ones are lined up, the tops of the wheels armpit high. Liberally filling spaces out front the store, stickers, degrees of dirt, and accessories proclaim political leanings and animal affiliations. I have succumbed to the lure of the pickup world. Not with a truck, although I like the shorthand. It makes me feel very American. It says off the grid and badass. Admiring my half-ton pickup truck, I have to ask myself, just how off the grid, badass can I really be in my shiny, white SUV on steroids? Perhaps it's not the truck, or the pickup, or the ute, and it's not badass or off the grid, or even particularly American. It's the attitude of adventure, recklessness, independence, self-reliance. I've been exploring that space for years. The difference is, now I have a truck to do it with.